This is a video for beginners tiling a floor from a beginner tiling a floor. So all you 20-year vets, don't get mad at me to teach people how to do this themselves. It's not that bad. First tip, dry fit everything. So cut around all your obstructions, making sure everything fits nice, and not doing this on a timetable when the thin set is drying. All you gotta do is use a utility knife to cut around everything. It's really, really easy. Once everything is laid out, now you get the thin set. This is where you would mix the powder and the water. Try to make it like a peanut butter consistency. Use a 1/4 inch V-notch trowel to attach the membrane to the floor. You wet the plywood, then you put down the thin set, you really pack it in, and then you trowel towards you and then the other way, make a nice smooth bed to lay down the mat. Then come back with the float and really embed it into the plywood. No need for a fancy, expensive equipment. All you gotta do is get a tile scorer and make sure you plan everything. That is key. Dry fit, I know it's a pain in the ass, but you could do it and it goes like that. Now after all that prep work, you're finally ready to lay down some tile. Each type of tile will have a different trowel size needed to attach it to the floor. You always want to start the layout from a part that everybody sees that you want it to be perfect. Now finally, you get to do some tiling. You want to trowel towards you. That means those little lines, they want to go to the short side of the board. Then back butter, then drop and wiggle the piece in. I always suggest you use a tiling leveling system. This is the one I use. It's called Spin Doctor. This helps stop lippage, aka not having the tiles the same height. This is where your plan comes together and you see how far you got away from the wall. Bam, bam, bam. Everything's looking good, and this is how it turns out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, hit me down below. And tiling's not that hard. Just put your mind to it and do it, baby. Let's go.